Here's a concise study note on Azure Sentinel, SIEM plus SOAR. Azure Sentinel, Microsoft Sentinel, is a cloud-native SIEM, security information and event management, and SOAR, security orchestration, automation, and response solution. It provides intelligent security analytics across on-premises, hybrid, and multi-cloud environments, helping organizations detect, investigate, and respond to threats at scale. Key features: cloud-native and scalable, built on Azure, scales automatically with no infrastructure overhead. Data collection: ingest logs from Azure services, Microsoft 365, on-prem devices, third-party solutions via connectors, REST APIs, and syslog/CEF. SIEM capabilities: log analytics workspace stores and queries massive data sets using KQL, Kusto query language. Detection rules: analytics correlates data across sources to detect anomalies and threats. Threat intelligence integration: enriches alerts with threat feeds. Workbooks and dashboards: visualize security posture in real time. SOAR capabilities: automation and playbooks. Uses Azure Logic apps for automated responses, e.g., disabling compromised accounts, isolating machines. Incident management: centralized incident queue with investigation graph to analyze attack chains. Hunting: security analysts can proactively hunt threats using KQL queries and notebooks. AI and machine learning: provides UEBA, user and entity behavior analytics, and anomaly detection. Integration: works seamlessly with Microsoft Defender Suite, Azure AD, Microsoft 365, AWS, GCP, firewalls, and third-party SIEM/SOAR tools. Benefits: reduce complexity, no hardware, pay-as-you-go pricing. Faster detection and response. Automated playbooks reduce analyst workload. Holistic visibility: unified view of logs, events, and incidents. Proactive defense: enables hunting and advanced analytics beyond reactive monitoring. In summary, Azure Sentinel combines SIEM's visibility and threat detection with SOAR's automation.